Hello friends, how are you? We have started a chapter addition of a partner. In previous lecture, I have taught you question number 8, Ava and Bina. Here are many questions and some questions are very easy to understand while some questions are very difficult. So I will explain easiest questions at first. So today I will solve in textual question number 10th. And question number 10th, here are partners Vidhi and Vishal. Please note this. Vidhi and Vishal are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3. It is odd ratio. Odd ratio is given. The balance sheet of the firm is on 31st March 16 was as under. Okay. And now here adjustment number first. Vidit will sacrifice 1/4 of his share and Vishal will sacrifice 1/8 of his share in favor of Bunty. Please underline the word in favor of Bunty. It means actual sacrifice ratio is directly given. Sacrifice ratio is given, but we will find in this way sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio. See here 1/4 rest 1/8. Here you can see 1/4 and 1/8. Here is 4 and here is 8. So it cannot be recorded in the to distribute goodwill or anywhere else. So I will solve it here. Here is 4. If I want to make here 8, because of here is 8, then multiply 2. Here multiply 2, then here also multiply 2, then 2. Here multiply 2, then 8. Rest. Here is 8 already given. Then I can write here 1/8. Now you can see here upon 8 and 8. Then sacrifice ratio is 2:1. Next point similar. Vidit and Vishal will sacrifice his share in favor of Bunty. In favor of Bunty means now we will find Bunty's share. Now second point here. New Bunty's new ratio. Bunty's new ratio. Bunty will get 1/4 and 1/8 from previous partners. Total of this, it is Bunty's ratio. Now here is sign of plus. So 8 multiply 1, 8, 4 multiply 1, 4, 8 multiply 4, 32. Then its answer is 8 plus 4, 12 and 32. Short form of this, divide by 4. 4 divide 12, then 3. And here 8. 4 3 are 12 and 8 then 32. Here it is new, Bunty's new ratio. We have found here both metals, sacrifice ratio and Bunty's new ratio. Okay. Now I will record here in one side sacrifice ratio 2:1 and Bunty's ratio 3/8. It will be useful to calculate more difficult questions. Okay, let's start new point. And now adjustment number second. Bunty will bring 72,000 as capital and his share of goodwill in cash. Please underline the word his share of goodwill in cash. His share. Bunty's share we have found here 3/8. And next adjustment number third. Goodwill of the firm is valued 32,000. Please underline the word goodwill of the firm. Here, see, total goodwill 32,000 is given, but it is not just new arrival partners goodwill. It is not for new arrival partners, but it is firm's goodwill. So, I will find for Bunty's goodwill only. Let's find out here new point. Bunty's goodwill. Total goodwill of the firm is given 32,000. It is firm's goodwill, not for just Bunty's, but with the help of Bunty's share, we have found here 3/8. 3/8. Then we can find only Bunty's goodwill. Here 8 multiply 32, then 4. And 32,000 divided by 8, then 4. And 4 multiply 3, then rupees 12,000. It is Bunty's goodwill, rupees 12,000. Okay. Now, see here. Now again go to the adjustment number second. Here is given Bunty will bring 72,000 as capital and his share of goodwill in cash. Now you can see Bunty's goodwill we have found. Now then record journal for it, for both capital and goodwill. Now journal for its, see here, Bunty will bring rupees 12,000 as goodwill and capital of rupees 72,000. What will be the journal entries of it? Now write journal entries for this. First, Bunty will bring rupees 12,000. Then journal entry for goodwill. See here. Case account debit rupees 12,000. 2. Now Bunty will take 12,000, but it will be given to the continue partners in the ratio of sacrifice 2:1. Then first partner is to Vidit account. Next to Vishal account. Now rupees 12,000 will be given to Vidit and Vishal in the ratio of is sacrifice 2:1. 12,000 distribute 2:1, then amount is 8,000 and 4,000. Journal entry, cash account 12,000 to Vidit account and to Vishal account. And next, and capital of rupees 72,000. Then journal for cash account debit 2. Who brings this capital? Bunty. Then Bunty's capital account rupees, capital is given here 72,000. Okay. Requirement calculation of goodwill and journal for goodwill is given here. And now its effect will be given in the required accounts. Now anyone is doubt for this, you can see here. Okay. Next point, here adjustments number 4. Vidit and Vishal withdrew 50% of goodwill received by them in cash. See here. Here Bunty brings goodwill rupees 12,000. But now journal entry for this. Nearest, you can see here. Study word. See here. Here what is the journal? Cash account and Vidit account to Vishal account. But now Vidit and Vishal withdraw 50% of goodwill. See here in adjustment number 4. Vidit and Vishal withdraw 50% of goodwill received by them in cash. The opposite journal entry will be recorded. Here cash account is debit. Then withdraw. Then write here C. Journal entry for C. 8,000. First Vidit account. Next Vishal account to case account. 50% of this amount. Then here 4,000. Here 2,000 and 50% of then 6,000. Okay. Here are 3 journal entries of capital and goodwill. Okay. And next, adjustment number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I will solve here. Okay. Let's start with 8. Now adjustment number fifth. Provision for depreciation on machinery to be made 10%. Now I will not solve it. It is the easiest adjustments, so it will be solved directly in the account. But adjustment number 6 is difficult. Write off rupees 3,600 as bad debt from debtors. And provision for bad debt is to be maintained 15%. See here. Total debtors are given 39,600. At first write adjust number 6. See, adjustment number 6. Debtors. Total given 39,600. And from this, bad BD 3,600 minus, then remaining amount rupees 36,000. Now BDR 15% BDR is also given. It will be also minus 15% BDR. 15% of 36,000. The amount is 5,400. And remaining amount 30,600 will record in new balance sheet. But here you can see more two effects will be given. First, BD rupees 3,600, it is loss. So it will be record on revaluation account debit side. Second, new BDR is given 5,400, but here you can see in balance sheet also old BDR is given 1,800. It is new minus old BDR 1,800. Old BDR. Then different of this 3,600. It will record revaluation account that just different amount, increase amount will return. See here, this is the very difficult adjustment number 6 to understand. So, I separately rough calculation is given here. Any doubt here? Okay. If any doubt, you can call me at any time. Now, adjustment number 7. Market value of investment is 9,000, which is to be recorded in the books. See, investment value is given rupees 18,000 Adjustment number 7. First, investment. Value is given 18,000. What is the new value? In adjustment number 7, market value of investment is 9,000, which is to be recorded in the books. New value is given 9,000. See here, it means outer amount is 9,000. It will be recorded. Actual value is given 18,000. New value is 9,000. It means different of 9. It is loss. It will be recorded in revaluation account. Debit rupees 9,000. And in other way, we can write it is the first method. Here are two methods. It is the other way. See here, in balance sheet, investment reserve total given 7,200. So, loss is 9,000, but actual we have reserve is given 7,200. It is our reserve amount and it is loss. Then different amount of this rupees 1,800, it will be recorded only pure loss. It will be recorded in revaluation account debit side. See here again, it is total loss, but we have already reserve is given. Then we have used here reserve amount. Then now we have lost only 1,800. 7,200 amount is we have taken from reserve. Then I will write here reserve. See here. Okay. And this amount will record outer side of new balance sheet. Okay. And now adjustment number 8 is also very important, so I will solve it here. See. Now adjustment number, now anyone is doubt in this investments, okay, try to understand this point very carefully, otherwise it is too difficult to understand. Okay, have you understood? Okay. And about, yes. Next, here see, adjustment number 8, claim of workman's compensation is except 30,000. Okay. Already workman compensation reserve is 24,000. Adjustment number 8. Workman compensations reserve. I have reserve amount rupees 24,000. But required amount to pay off this amount is, claim is rupees 30,000. Claim past 30,000. Then minus 6,000. What I will do for minus 6,000? It means it is loss, and 6,000 loss, it will be loss record, in revaluation account debit. Claim is passed and this amount is used, then just one effect of 6,000 it will be given. Now see here, no more adjustments are difficult, only accounts are prepared. With these rough calculations, I have completed my lecture, and in next lecture I will explain how to prepare 4 accounts and its effects. Okay, have a nice day.